Ayos ka rin, bye.
Angie! Yay! Kyla! Yanni! Yay!
Kapit na. Kapit na, pila na lang ka-oras. Happy ever after na.
A love story worth sharing. Today, you'll hear the story of what was, what is, and what will be. Baba, you never failed to keep your promises. Today is a testament to how you've turned dreams into reality. The story of this church, the monastery, holds a special place in our heart. Back in 2014, after our high school retreat you mentioned earlier, you casually asked me, "Ganahan ka ba'y diri ta kaslon?" And at just the age of 16 years old, I said yes. It wasn't just because the church was beautiful, but because it was our first church together as a couple.
Love, after 12 long years, we're now married.
Congratulations nining adlaw sa inyong kasal ato silang palakpakan. Congratulations.
And now, the moment has come full circle. Happy 12 years, my love. We've spent half of our lives together, growing, dreaming, and building the foundation of the life we have today.
I'll be a dream, I'll be a wish, I'll be a fantasy. I'll be a hope, I'll be your love, be everything that you need. I love you more with every breath, truly, madly, deeply do. I will be strong, I will be faithful, 'cause I'm counting on a new beginning, a reason for living, for deeper meaning. I wanna stand with you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea.
From the start, I was your enemy. During second year time, ibutangan ako basura ang imong uniform kana bitaw. Suko kay ka sa ako ingon ka nga itugan ko nimo sa imong papa. Tapos niingon pa ka nga og manguyab ko sa imo dili ko nimo sugton.
But God works in mysterious ways. And by third year high school, He brought us closer together. You've shown me how someone can change so beautifully. From the boy who once made me roll my eyes to the man who has made me believe in the power of love.
I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay like this forever, until the sky falls down on me.
Kick off your shoes, turn off the news today. You got nothing to lose and you sure could use a break. There's no better time to clear your mind and watch the clouds roll away. So shake off the blues, it's all in the mood for me. Hey, hey. Everything is gonna work out.
I prayed for a love that was pure, unwavering, and distant by God. A boyfriend who would become my forever. And God answered my prayers when He gave me you, my engineer.
I promise to be the best version of myself so that you can be the happiest. I love you.
Always find a way to love me first. You built the man, built the house, made the house a home. Turned days and years to solid gold. You don't need to sing like a choir of saints. You don't need to ride like one of the plays. You don't need to dance like David danced. If you just love me like only you can, would you love me like only you can?
Mag-count mig 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1,
Thing to it.
2, wa pa gani 3. Sige, padayon. Sige. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, congratulations!
To me, oh, you don't need to be anything to anyone but who you are to me. Oh, you don't need to be anything to anyone but who you are.
Nga ampingi ang kinabuhi nga ihatag sa Ginoo kaninyo sa mga ang Ginoo nag-amping sa matagusan ninyo ka kinabuhi. Nag-uyab mo, gagmay pa, dagko na no. Pero nganong kamog yung duha? Pero nganong kamog yung duha? Nganong dili man katong mga no, childhood friend ninyo or kinsa may nagbuot ani? Ang Ginoo. Sa ato pa, tagbo mo sa Ginoo aron suguon mo na pinanggaon ang kinabuhi nga ihatag sa Ginoo kaninyo.
Need to ride like one of the great. You don't need to dance like David danced. If you just love me like only you can. If you just love me like only you can. Would you